It's Tubey Toys. This is Tubey from Tubey Toys News Network. There's some unicorns on the roofs, at the beach, and at the playgrounds, and they've been spotted. Here's our coverage.
Aww, snuggle buggy.
That's a snuggle buggy too. Flip, flip, flip.
Okay, what is it? It's an ice cream cone on one side and one on the other side.
Purple. Just purple.
What's this one?
That's a rainbow.
And what's on the other side?
Gold, gold.
Oh, gold.
Gold.
They're cool, right? Do you like them?
Yes. This is crazy. Tubey from Tubey Toys got a first look. Let's take a look at that video. Top secret surprise. Do not open until July 30th.
Oh my.
There's another.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It says, know your Rainbocorns. We have here Rainbocorns, guys. Look at all of these Rainbocorns that you can collect. There's monkey corns, Melody and Loco, kitty corns, Snapcat and Gigi, bunny corns, hopcorn and hippity, puppy corns, Scruff and Scout, hamster corns, Munchie and Pixel, unicorns, Dazzle and Sparkle. Oh my gosh, the Rainbocorns are finally here. Who will you unbox? It's a sequin surprise.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
I never opened up these before because it's new.
You got it.
Look at this. Oh, green.
What are we revealing? It's a little secret message. I guess it's gonna tell us who you're gonna get. What does that look like to you?
An ice cream.
It does. It looks like an ice cream cone. And it revealed. Ooh, you got a cute one. Okay, I know who you got. I won't give it away though. Let's wipe away all of this. This is so cool. It tells you who you got by decoding this part when you reveal the sequins.
It's ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, go ahead and crack it open. Oh, you're opening it. Squeeze it. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Oh my god! Oh my god! How cute!
Look, it comes with an egg top. Look at this.
Oh, how cute! There's a little surprise in there too?
Yeah, see, there's an egg, and you can take the egg off.
Oh my gosh, look how cute! Isn't that cute?
Yeah. These are so cute.
Oh my gosh, let me see Hippity. These are so cute! Oh my gosh, look at, they have sparkly eyes.
Yeah. I didn't know there was going to be an egg with this inside. I did not know that.
There's even wings. They have fairy wings. You know you have another one to open, right?
Yeah. Do you know about the other egg that has a silver horn? See?
Oh, it has a silver horn. And this one had what color?
Purple.
Purple horn. Okay.
You can take, look, see?
Oh my gosh, you know what you can do with it?
You can make it as like a bow.
Well, you could put it on her tummy. Oh my gosh. Wait, let's put it on her tummy.
Yeah, let's put it on.
Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So now we have your hippity bunnycorn out of its packaging. So you can take the sequin part and put it on its tummy.
Wait a minute, it has a cotton tail. It has a tail. Look.
Oh, cute. And they're so soft.
Yes. I knocked the other egg down. How did I do that? Let's see. Turning pink. I think I'm revealing a rainbow.
A rainbow?
With clouds.
How cute. Oh wait, it's opening. It's hatching. Who did you reveal?
The unicorn twins.
That one is, it looks like you got Dazzle. Which one did you get?
This one.
Oh, how cute. Let's see in the checklist. Yeah, it's a boo-boo unicorn. They're like hair clips.
Yeah.
How cute is that?
That's why I said a bow.
Oh, you're so smart. We could put it on her unicorn horn. Look at that. Or we could put it on her belly.
Yeah, belly's better.
How cute are these toys?
They're so cool.
They are so cool.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they really are so super cool.
Guys, look! An egg inside an egg.
And if you want to hide your tummy again, you can play with your friends. You could actually peel it back.
Oh my god, do you know what I just discovered?
What?
When you rub your finger on these little pets, they change color.
They do?
Yep.
Where do they change color?
Look, see? When I rub it, this one turns a little bit silver.
It is silver though, I thought.
But not the whole thing.
Well, these are our cute little tiny pets that we got. How cute.
I really like Rainbocorns. They're so cute and they're so colorful. I'm going to give a big thank you to Zuru for sending us these. A big one. Like a size as a big tummy. Do. Hey sis. What do you want to do? Play with the little ones, of course. Do in the White House.
Oh, so cute.
Look, I did this. It looks so cool. It looks like a real one. See, guys?
Did you become a unicorn?
No, this is just my unicorn now.
Are you a unicorn now? Unicorn now. Seriously?
Yes, they have magic.
They do?
Yeah.
They do have magic. They have magical tummies. And we have magical other properties as well. So now you have become a Marcellocorn.
Rub their tummies, I give them their magic. Because they're magical. Whenever they can actually talk to me. They can say, we want our magic. And so then I take them and then I rub their hearts and then they have their magic.
That's awesome. I'm gonna take away the magic.
No!
Take away the magic.
No.
They're mine. I put their magic back. Now I'm gonna take it away. I'm gonna take it away.
No! Let me know if you're going to get one in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a unicorn day. There's unicorns everywhere. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.